Let's go thrifting at the regular Goodwill in Hernando, Mississippi. I have not been here in a few weeks, so hopefully they have lots of new stuff out on the shelves. What is this? Oh, I love the legs on this table. How much is it? $40 for this table. Not a bad price. I have two benches right here. They are $24.99. Oh, I like the size of this dresser. It's kind of long and skinny. Definitely would need a paint job. $70 for that, and then $24.99 for the little end table right here. Let's see if we can find some cute bunnies in the figurine aisle. What are these? Don't know what that is. Colors remind me of a basketball. Don't see anything. Let's take this side. Oh, look at this little gold piece right here. That's cute. It's $5 though. Oh, here's some brass candlesticks. A set of two. $3.99 each. What is this? What goes in there? They have a ton of floral. They even have some Christmas trees. Oh, I like the shape of this basket. It's kind of like a basket vase. $4.99. I wonder if the florals would come out easy on that piece. If they will, I might get it because I love a good basket vase. I have a few of them in my house, but it's not something that I find often at all. Don't really see any other baskets. This will make a good garbage can or a tree holder. Wait, what is this? It's like a basket and metal stuff. I have no clue. It's $5. I think it's like a bowl. Oh, what's this? What is this? That is cute. Stop. It even has a little mallet in it. $2.99. I bet somebody was putting something together. It's $3.99. I'm definitely getting this basket. So this one will sit up on its own, or you can hang it up. So this is what it looks like without the florals. Love this. You could use it as a bowl. You could use it as a vase. I feel like there's many uses for it. A bunch of these Eckert Classic Holiday. I think it's either figurines or ornaments. I am not sure. Ooh, look at all this crazing on this little Santa right here. Lots of Christmas stuff out. But I'm not seeing anything super amazing. See if they have any good kitchen stuff. This is very light. It's $3.99. Salt and pepper shakers with a little silicone. I like these. This is plastic. I like the shape of these two pieces right here. They're plastic. They have not had any new canisters in a while. I feel like the ones that are here have been here forever. What's this? A little chicken plate for some deviled eggs. It's hella floral. $5.99. I think there's a chip on the beak though. That's cute. I like that. Lots of glassware. These are fancy. The rhinestones on there. Here's some false graph cups. I love this pattern. Looks like they have 4 of them. So this is how I would style them. I like to just stack them up like this, and then you could put some floral or something on there. It looks really cute on a shelf. These are $1.99. I love them, but I'm kind of out of space at my house right now, so I'm gonna have to leave them behind. These are pretty, this bigger blue plate and this smaller blue one. Some little coffee mugs with a little yellow flower. It's kind of annoying how they always put the price tags on the markings on the bottom, so I can't see where they were made or the maker's brand. I don't know why this has a ridge under it. Always kind of scan through these to see if there's anything special. Occasionally I find something. Do y'all look through the coffee mugs when you were at the thrift store? Oh look, somebody donated their bees. Here's a bee. Here's a bee. These are cute. I don't need any more coffee mugs. Here's an A. Cute little Halloween one. Here's some Christmas stuff right here. It is $9.99 for all of these pieces. Let's see what pattern this is. Gibson houseware, and it is 38 pieces for $25. I do really like the green on here, but I don't really like the roses. Like if it was just this with the white pattern and then look how pretty the gold is. I like that. Here's the wood section. It's always full, but I rarely find anything that I want. It's always full of signs. I have enough of those in my DIY stash. This is a little corner shelf. It does have some good spindles on it. It's only $2.99. $2.99. I think I need this just for the spindles. I actually know what I can do with them. Look at this. That's adorable. $1.99 for this? Okay, that seems a bit much. Well, this trip was a little disappointing. Like I said, I hadn't been here in a while, so I was hoping that I would find a bunch of good stuff. Somehow 2 baskets jumped in my cart, but these are good. We can't leave them behind, right? And then this piece was only $3.99, so I'm gonna take it apart. It probably just simply unscrews, and I'm gonna use the little spindle pieces right here for something. You never have too many spindles in your stash. So that is it for today's thrifting adventure. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next one.